Let's make a ribeye steak wrap. Knife's all sharp. Let's get our veggies cut. Time to open up our steak. Cut off the fat if you'd like and hit it with salt and pepper. Pan's hot, let's get it seared. Make the sauce while the steak's cooking. Mayo, hot sauce, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, salt, pepper, adobo, garlic and herb, lemon pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian, basically everything in the kitchen. Smoked paprika, chipotle, and that's basically it. Peppers and onions in there. Slice up that steak and let's assemble. Sauce, lettuce, peppers and onion, and of course our steak. Extra sauce on top, and that's it. Your dinner's ready.